Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on the ground right now, so sorry if my head is cut off, but look what came in. You're not going to be able to see it, but my Craftibly order came in, and this is my first time ever ordering from Craftibly. I heard very good things about this company, and I hope that I like my diamond painting. So we're just gonna get started. So before we begin, please like this video and subscribe. And without further ado, let's open this bad boy up and see what I got. Let me get my knife. Hold on. Where did my knife go? Okay. I think I have scissors somewhere around here. Oh, right here. All right, so again, this is my first time ordering. Let me see if I can frame you guys down a little further. Yeah, all right. So this is my first time ordering, like I said, and I believe this is one of their older kits since it was not labeled 4.0. So it's pretty early here where I am right now. I got air, more air. Oh my goodness. It did come in a purple tube. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I think that's everything. So all their newer kits come in these purple tubes. So I'm just going to untwist it. I believe the owners of this company are Michael and Amy, if I'm not mistaken. And they are very generous to their customers. And I know Crafting with Shay, Mindy's Diamond Moment have gone over there and helped package some orders, which is nice. So that's awesome. So this is the one that I got. You guys can see that. It's called Coastal Flight. I am so excited to try this company. So, again, first time. So you just unscrew this part. And let's begin with the toolkit. So this is their toolkit. Right here. Let me sit down so you guys can see. So that's their toolkit. So first off, we have their toolkit, which comes with a white boat, tweezers, a squishy right there, and some wax. So that's the first thing that's gonna come in your toolkit. Ooh, and I got, let me see, I got washi tape. Oh my goodness. Look at the washi tape. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. I love that. That's adorable. I'll definitely be using this. I've never used washi tape on my diamond paintings, but I guess Diamonds and Washi Katie, she uses it to section off her diamond paintings. So that's awesome. Oh, and I got a cover minder. That's awesome. How do you open these though? Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness, look at this cover minder, guys. This is my first one. It's a heart. That's gorgeous. I love that. And it comes in this like little storage case. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Love that. I really should turn off notification or put my phone on airplane mode. Can you still record when you're on airplane mode? And then last but not least, you get 2 pots of wax. So that's all that comes in the toolkit. I love it. I can't wait to use this washi tape. That's gorgeous. Love that. And I'm excited to use this cover minder. So basically what a cover minder is you put it underneath the painting, or yeah, you put it underneath the painting to keep the white or the clear tape, not tape, the clear cover out of your way when you're working on your diamond painting. So I love this. Love it. Okay, let's unbox Coastal Flight. So, ooh, it's a big one. I'll definitely be keeping this tube because it's nice and sturdy. So, first I'm going to take off this rubber band. So this is everything. Oh, I guess I did get a 4.0 kit. That's awesome. So it just says, welcome to the Craftibly family, right there. And everything down here explains about the 4.0 kit. So if you guys want to read that. And a cover, my stickers. This has 62 colors in it. Holy cow. So this might be my next project that I kit up. So first I'm currently working on Sleeping Beauty from Diamond Art Club. So I need to finish that. And then here's a smaller picture of your painting. I cannot wait to try that or use that. So here's the painting. Okay. Oops. Look at these diamonds. I'm gonna keep the plastic because, so here are your diamonds. And Craftibly individually wraps their diamonds into baggies, which I like because I'm a person that works out of baggies. So I'm not gonna take these out right now just because they're all individually packaged and I'm not going to be working on this diamond painting right away. But here we go with the diamond painting. Hopefully I don't mess it up with scissors. Let's see. How am I going to do this? Oh, there we go. I don't need scissors. So I'm just taking off the tape. Okay, maybe I do need scissors. There we go. All right. So let's roll it out. Look at, guys. Oh my goodness. There. I think Craftibly uses poured glue, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just trying to roll this up. So I can like flatten it out. There we go. There we go. Well, I tried. So here it is. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. I love the balloons in the air and all the scenery, the ocean. Let's look at the drill field. So as you can see, very clear symbols. This will look better on a light pad. So I use a light pad. I don't know if any of you guys use a light pad, but look at the lighthouse. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, and there's a little barn near the lighthouse. That's awesome. So here's Coastal Flight from Craftibly. So I'm gonna wrap this back up and put the drills back in here. Alright guys, so that was my first Craftibly unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want more of these unboxings, and I will totally do these for you guys. I absolutely love my 4.0 kit. Cannot wait to use it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.